ध्यान रखना, आप जब पढ़ना तो आई सेड दैट आपको महसूस होगा कि यू आर नोइंग एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल आई सेड दैट व्हेन यू रीड इट अगेन एंड अगेन यू विल बिकम ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. दिस इज थिंग हैपनिंग, देयर आफ्टर दिस इज द थिंग हैपनिंग, व्हेन दिस इज द थिंग हैपनिंग, सो आपकी स्टडी कैसी हो जाएगी? ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. अंडरस्टूड इट? सो डू नॉट गेट हैप्पी दैट ओके यू आर नोइंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, क्योंकि ये चीजें मैंने पहले भी बताया हुआ है सारी चीजें. तो यू हैव टू व्हाट इज ना, जाके जब कोई चीज आए, व्हेन यू आर नोइंग समथिंग यू वर्क हार्ड ऑन इट, द थिंग्स बिकम मच इजियर. एंड किसी चीज को प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन करोगे, जो चीज चाह रहे हो कि नहीं लेटर ऑन यू विल डू, तो धीरे धीरे क्या होने लग जाएगा? इट विल स्टार्ट बिकमिंग वेग. और इसको पढ़ लोगे तो न्यू आइडियाज कैन ऑल्सो डेवलप. Understood? And then I said that and then besides Sanskrit language was the knowledge of the chosen few, while the common masses spoke Prakrit, Pali and all. इस कारण से क्या हुआ? तो वो लोग ब्राह्मण को कभी पसंद ही नहीं करते थे, और ब्राह्मण आते भी तो गाली देते होंगे किसमें? संस्कृत में, प्राकृत में नहीं. उनको तो प्राकृत आती होगी, पाली आती होगी. वी कांट लॉर्ड इज एन अब्यूज एंड ऑल, बट दे मस्ट बी डूइंग संस्कृत. किसी को समझ में नहीं आता होगा. Yes, general people can't understand Sanskrit. And then I said that at that time, ये देख लीजिएगा कौन कौन से contemporary. I said that significant persons at the time of Buddhism and Jainism, which are the contemporary portion, important portion, philosophers like we have a better philosophers in the form of religious, which are Gautam Buddha and which one? Mahavira. And this is I'm talking about Jainism. मजे करो, मजे करो. Jainism. I said that which is the best book of Jainism? Which is the Jainism? Which book? There is. I said that they have earlier. Generally, books पहले नहीं होता था. When the Mahavir start giving lecture, one person will be there who started reciting it and then started remembering. And this is the way in the Buddhism also. उसके बाद वो लोग जाके फिर started. So ये होता था, you know that there are some person who remember it. चले उसमें थोड़ी गलती वगैरह हो गई तो फिर तो हो गया काम. So I said that earlier. So it has been the Jainism book has been the religious preaching with the religious preaching. It was in the Purvas, but it has been converted into 12 angas. The Purvas in the form of what is it? Smriti. ये यादों में था, but it has been converted into what? It is in the remembrance, and then it has been converted into what I said that 12 angas and then 12 upangas. How? What I said that 12 angas, and the second Jainist concept hua in the Ballavi in Gujarat, 5th century AD. It has been divided into 12 anga has been divided into 12 upangas. So, which is the book for getting enlightenment and knowing of the God and all? 12 अंगास. अंडरस्टूड? ध्यान में रखिएगा. लोग कभी पढ़ते हैं जब बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म दे आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट एन वन कंफ्यूजन. देयर इज 3 रत्नास आर देयर. Yes or not? Right faith, right knowledge and all this, and then right conduct. That is known as the 3 ratanas of Jainism. And they consider it as this is the preaching. This is not the preaching. Similarly, so Buddhism has Tripitaka and they have 3 ratanas. So they are considering Tripitaka 3 ratanas. Both are different. Teaching of Buddha is 3 ratana and teaching of Jainism is 12 anga. So दिमाग में रखिएगा. Angas, here it is about 12 angas and here it is a 3 ratana nahi, 3 pitakas. Which one I said that? 3 pitakas. Understood? So do not get confused with the what is it? So I said that Jainism. I said that who is the king, father of the Bharata clan, Bharata king in the Vedas, he was Rishabdev. He was, who was? And the Rishabdev in the Veda has been mentioned, and he was the first who made himself nude and then accepted this, and he was considered an incarnation of Narayana. He was considered an incarnation of Narayana. और आप लोगों के, I keep on saying from the art and culture, Jainas are ready to accept anyone. यदि कहीं पे कोई nude मिल जाए and then any picture belongs to Jaina. It belongs to Jaina because it is a Digambar. I said that. And who is the person who said nude? Parshvanath, it is in 23rd Tirthankara. And he is talking about white cloths, and then Mahavira said that nudeness. So generally लोग ये सोचने लग जाते हैं, there is a Sthal Vayu and there is a Bhadra Vayu. That is correct. They have divided. But earlier who has talked about this? Who has talked about? Mahavira talked about nudeness, and then white cloths, who talked about? Parshvanath. And Buddha, they like it. They especially hate this nudeness. Clear? I said that Jainism, the founder, who is the founder of Jainism? Rishabdev. And that is also known as Adinath. That is also known as Adinath. Who was the father of the king Bharata and the first Chakravarti king of India, founded Jainism and the Vishnu Purana and Bhagavad Purana. पता है ना ये सब क्या है Puranas? Highly superstition and full of corruption. Puranas. I said that, which Purana I said that where it has been mentioned? Vishnu Purana and Bhagavad Purana. Describe the Rishabh as an incarnation of which, जिस पर हम लोग को बिलीव नहीं करना है, जिस पे सुपरस्टिशन की बात कर रहे हैं, वहां पर मेंशन है Jainas. And then I said that which Jaina? Rishabdev. And Rishabdev as an what? Incarnation of Narayan, in which Vishnu Purana and Bhagavad. And then Rishabh was, उसके बाद ऋषभदेव के बाद how many तीर्थंकरा can? 23 तीर्थंकरा. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, तो हम लोग किसको पूछते हैं? Yes, tell me. Sorry, Jainas किसको पूछते हैं? तीर्थंकरास. सारे तीर्थंकरास are important for them. But if you'll come into the Buddhism, what is there? They did not say that go up to Buddha and all. आज के डेट में Hinduism there is an what? Every nation has their own Buddha, जिसको बोलते हैं बोधिसत्वा. Therefore Buddhism is able to grow. अब उन लोगों को कभी होता है इंडिया के बुद्धा को हम लोग प्रे कर रहे हैं, एंड देन वहां के they have their own बोधिसत्वा. Each nation has their own. इसी तरह पंजाबी बोल दे कि नहीं हमें गुरु के आगे भी कोई कर दे, तो there is also the Sikh can be able to grow. So yes, if it is not growing, making the things to be liberal, then that thing started what? Yes. Clear? So why Jainism is not able to spread? Also one reason, tell me. What is the reason Jainism did not? What is this? Naked. Nahi yaar. That they are what is worshipping their own Tirthankara, 24 Tirthankara, but Buddhism में Bodhisattva. Those हर एक nation में आज भी कोई Bodhisattva होगा. Still there is some Bodhisattva in there. What is in every nation? And he is about to achieve Nirvana. He is about to achieve. Those who is about to achieve Nirvana, इसका मतलब है कि physical pain and I am going to become Buddha. Yes or not? They are considered as a what? Bodhisattva. तो लोग किसको worship करते हैं? Yes, tell me. So where there is a Buddhism is there what is a किसको पूजा कर रहे हैं? Worshipping Bodhisattva. And यहाँ पे आज भी उन्हीं सारे लोगों को कर रहे हैं किसको? चलो. So after the who Rishabh, there was 23 Tankaras and the Parshvanath 23rd, and it was followed by Mahavira. So the Jainism become major religion after whom? Mahavira. Jainism in the past. थोड़ा सा लोग जानते होंगे the name of the Jaina Tirthankara is the founded in the what? Found in कहाँ पे पाया गया? Rig Vedas. Where it has been found? Rig Vedas. Vishnu Purana. Bhagavad Purana describes about the incarnation of Narayan. And then there is one male torso. What is there? Torso का मतलब होता है yes, no neck, no limbs. It is known as a male torso. इसका मतलब वो भी naked था. बोल दे ये क्या है? Jainism. So the male nude torso discovered from the Indus Valley culture has something to do with the Tirthankara also. Indus Valley. जहाँ पे लोग there is a mother goddess and then I said that phallic worship and then Pasupatinath, that is a kind of worship is there. There were 24 Tirthankaras and all Kshatriya belonging to, and Parshanath was the 23rd and Mahavira was killer. Serpent, उनको symbol क्या है? Serpent, ऋषभदेव का bull and Mahavira का lion. Vardhaman Mahavira. I said that कौन सा है? In the Vaisali nearby in the Bihar, Kundam Gram. Which? Do not get confused with the Kundal one. Kundal one is in Jammu and Kashmir where the 4th Buddhist council took place. It is I said that Kundagram. Understood? Near Vaisali, and his father was the head of what? One of the Natika company head. Which company head? Inatrika clan. Which clan? Yes. Whose clan? I said that? Inatrika clan, and then his mother was a Likshvi princess. कहाँ पे लिच्छवी पता है ना आपको? वैशाली में ही तो है. Yes or not? It is one of the part of it. Likshvi, another confederation. So Likshvi princess इनकी माँ थी, and then his father was one of the head of the Inatrika clan, and therefore we can be able to say that he also belongs to which? Kshatriya. Understood it? Then I said that at the age of 30 he became an ascetic, and Buddha became at the age of 29. At the age of, and he became at the age of 30. And he kept on wandering for 12 years from place to place. And finally he got what? Kavalya, ultimate knowledge. He attained a perfect knowledge at Kavalya at the age of, and then Buddha got after the 7 years, at the age of 36. At the age of, Buddha has got at it at the age of 36. Now Kavalya, he conquered the misery and हमारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? तुम्हारे पास कितना है, मेरे पास बहुत कम है. Yes or not? You are more happy, I am what? These are the desire. Desire is the main cause of what? Problems. And that he conquered which one? Misery and चाहे आपको प्रॉब्लम हो, whatever it is, happiness. But ऐसा नहीं होगा. Little bit smiling. ऐसे लोगों का ऑटोमेटिकली मतलब ऐसा नहीं खड़ूस की तरह. That will be some. I said that Mahavira, it is also known as because of the conquest of happiness and all, and after the Kavalya he became the great hero or Jina. What he became? Great hero और किसको पहले मैंने बोला था जीना? महापद्म नंदा एकारात जीना, victory trophy. Understood? And I said that teaching of Jainism, जो बुद्धा का टीचिंग है वही है. Don't commit, don't, बुद्धा का मैंने बोल रहा हूं, महात्मा गांधी का वही है. मतलब उन्होंने यहां से लिया था, लेकिन हम लोग किसको याद रखते हैं? So इसलिए I am saying that go and see over there. Don't commit violence and don't speak. And he has also stolen some money from his father, Gandhiji. So don't stay. ठीक है? ये क्यों है? Don't acquire property. फिर तो बोलेंगे फिर मेरी लाइफ क्या है? Yes, don't acquire property. So he's talking about lots of pain of your body, pain in your body. Therefore, Buddha said, no, I am not going to talk to you that you will have a luxurious life and you should have a what? Painful life. He said, Madhya Margi. He said, and he said, take the pain. टेक पेन। तो ये भी समझ में आ रहा है, दिस काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इज एन अप्रोच मेक द पीपल टू व्हाट, do not commit violence, do not speak lie, do not steal, and do not acquire. These are given by Mr. Parshvanath, and that has been also included by Mahavira, but he added one thing, where Indians will never accept: brahmacharya, observe continence. And this fifth doctrine was added by whom? Mahavira. It is added by whom? So what are the five? He said that teaching of Jaina: do not commit violence, don't steal, don't lie, and then do not acquire property, and then observe continence. Understood? And देखते हैं, समझ में आ गया? These are the teachings of doctrines of teaching of Jainism. Teachings of Jainism. And then we are going to see 3 gems or ratna of Jainism. And he said that according to Jainism, attainment of moksha or nirvana was the most important human desire. What is the most important human desire? It says that moksha, kaivalya. And it says that the moksha can be attained through the active sync of these 3 ratanas or 3 gems, which are right faith. राइट फेथ किसमें? लॉर्ड महावीरा में। महावीर को अलावा कुछ मत देखना। राइट फेथ इन महावीरा, इसीलिए गुरु नानक देव ने किसी को नहीं एक्सेप्ट किया। राइट फेथ इन महावीरा। यहीं से लगता है कि कुछ न कुछ गलती है। कैसे? दिस इज द वर्ल्ड ऑफ व्हाट? यस, लॉजिक। राइट फेथ इन लॉर्ड महावीरा मीन्स आई सेड दैट सम्यक विश्वास, राइट